Welcome back everyone in our YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss about the Palo Alto Firewall with the security policy. As I told you in the last session that our main concept in the any firewall, that is security policy. So welcome everyone, I am Nikun Goyal and the trainer and instructor in the network assumptions. Let's go through the security policy concept. So understand guys, in Palo Alto Firewall or any other firewall, main thing is the security policy. But here we'll totally focus as a Palo Alto Firewall. So understand, what is security policy? Security policy is the main key factor to decide the packet decision that it will go or it will block, it will travel or when it will travel, in which condition it will travel or it will block. Okay, you can say like what? It is a gatekeeper which will have the list of the rules who can travel from one side to another side and who can able to enter from outside to inside. So let's discuss as a technically as a firewall terms. So in the firewall, we have mostly a divided concept as a zone, which is also known as a zone-based firewall. In that we can decide something called inside zone, something called outside zone, and DMZ zone. Now inside zone for mostly our local internal network, company, staff, employee network. Outside is generally for public internet and DMZ for the public servers. Now try to understand. Let's say if I want to create any security policy, then there is a 4 key points. One is the source, second is the destination, third is services, and fourth is the action. According firewall, we need to decide packet coming from which side. It is coming from inside to outside or LAN to WAN, or let's say packet coming from outside to inside, public internet to local. That we can decide as a source and destination. In this case, maybe source is a single IP, destination also single IP, maybe there is a range of IP, or maybe there is a whole entire network. So that we need to decide for source and destination. Okay. Then third point, what I told you, the security things according the applications. Let's say the source and destination, okay, let's say going to LAN to WAN, inside to outside, but what kind of application they are containing in the request? It is HTTP traffic, or it is HTTPS traffic, or it is let's say telnet SSH kind of traffic, or let's say it is some download media audio. Which kind of traffic and which kind of application they are using. And then later the fourth point is what? Action, where we can decide either this traffic allow or deny, or you can say permit or deny, or you can say allow or block. Different wording you will find. Okay. So now understand these 4 key points together if we discuss, then we get some concrete proper rules. Like what? Let's say packet coming from the LAN side and there is a 10 kind of private network of class A series or maybe 192.168 series network, and they want to go in the public, like let's say Google IP or 8.8.8 or any other public website. So that is source and destination ready. Then let's say is that traffic from the LAN side from the 10 network, it is for HTTP or HTTPS, that we can decide in the third point, service. And then what? Okay, if the traffic from LAN to the WAN, from the one department to the Google and having a HTTP or HTTP service, should I allow or deny? That is we decide in the action. So this is the brief idea about the security policy. So after this, you are easily able to see the practical, you are able to understand the practical. So if you like this detail, give us a thumbs up and stay tuned. In next video, we are going to see this all practically with the Palo Alto web interface. Thank you.